It's so nice. Oh, look! It's so nice! Do you like it? Yes! Ate is helping the bunso, guys, kasi namumu sa daan.
Slay was crying.
Tingnan niyo ang kanyang...
Slay was crying because she fell down.
I know. Have a look at her lips.
Because there was
Gusto niyo talagang maglakad.
there was a step and she did not see the step and then her foot but then she fell down on the concrete.
Oh no. The poor little girl. She was crying.
She did what her face.
Yeah. You okay, Nali?
That's why I'm walking over.
Yeah. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang lips. Oh. Oh. Ito pala kami sa cafe, guys. We are having breakfast. It's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. We're having breakfast, guys. Wow, Lini, so beautiful. Moana, dali.
I did that.
Bahalag lambi ang sumod. Basta ice chocolate. What have you got there, ate?
Hot chocolate.
Yummy? Nini? So, ang sumod. We moved outside, guys, kasi itong batang ito ay paiyak-iyak doon. She wanted to come outside. Careful. Good girl. Ay, douche. Cute-cute naman ang kanyang baby chino, eh. Buti na lang wala pa yung food. Drinks muna. Medyo busy ngayon kasi Father's Day in Australia. Yum?
Potato, the orange one, or the mashed one?
Dito kami sa Coast. We're doing some grocery shopping.
Right or the orange?
Konti lang yung bibilhin namin this time, guys, kasi naglakad kami from our branch. And meron kaming lakad tonight, which is very, very exciting. We're taking Daddy Mike to this Lightscape to Brisbane. Thank you. Lightscape sa Brisbane. We're going tonight. You will see it, guys. Oh my god, it's going to be really nice there. So, yun yung regalo natin for Daddy Mike for Father's Day.
My mash. Come on.
Okay, come on, sweetie girl. We'll go have a look. Baby Celine is in the pram and she just fell asleep. Kaya ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog kasi ginawa ko yung phone. Huh?
There's no trophy we can get for us.
I thought you said you want to get something for your perfume. Okay, we'll go get paper towel.
But they're not.
This way.
Yes!
I'll show you what we got from the grocery store, guys. Konti lang yung binili as mentioned kanina kasi naglakad lang kami. Baby Celine ay nasa pram pa. Tulog pa kasi siya. We got this potato. Here you go, Daddy. You can put them away now.
Oh, can you see what the thing is?
Oh, fine. I've got some wet wipes for Baby Celine. What do you call this one, Bob? Wraps for Asparagus. lunches, snacks para the Paris. Bumili si Daddy Mike ng host. Tapos merong ganito. Ganyan. Pang ano na sasakyan. Dito sa sasakyan. Toothpaste. Blueberries and some broccoli. We'll keep this. Kasi hindi na naman kami nagdala nito sa shop. Kailangan ko ng mabili. Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike kanina, this is very tough, you know, na paper bag. Kasi sobrang dami niyang laman, mabigat siya, hindi siya napigtas. Ganda yung paper bag na to. Pinasok na pala ni Daddy Mike yung mga meat sa fridge. Para hindi mangamoy. We have these, cauliflower stems. And we've got the apple. Ano pa meron? Ayan. Nappies for baby Celine. And for Paris. We always take the Paris, guys. Napi siya kay baby. Ngayon na kasi gumaganyan siya. Hi! Bananas! Yakult. Okay ka ba siya? Oh, here it is, Daddy. Sagid sa ilong baboy. It's like kimchi.
Sriracha. It's a chili.
It smells like none of your food.
That's sriracha sauce.
Yes, princess. Huh? Yeah. Chicken. What happened? Popcorn. Paper towel. Okay, sweetheart. Spray, window, wiper, cleaning cloth, kitchen set. Hala, ito yung nabitbit ko. Dapat sana yung yung bathroom set. Kitchen man. Yes na lang. Ayan, mini pan of chocolate. First time.
Pan of chocolate.
Pan of chocolate.
Chocolate. Pan of chocolate. Mama, you're
Picklet. Huh?
dirty.
You're dirty. Not me. Good.
I'm just saying pan of chocolate. Mama's like...
And some strawberries. That's it. Meron pa pala. Toothbrush. Ngayon, maglilinis-linis lang kami ng bahay, guys, before kami umalis. Siguro alis kami around 4 o'clock ng hapon. Punta kami ng city. Yung yung ticket namin for the Lightscape tonight is 6:45. So, sabi sa website nila na if you go, at least 1.5 hours to 2 hours yung spend mo doon para ma-enjoy mo talaga. Actually, guys, it's a botanical garden. Like, we've been there before. Ang tawag dito, mga kahoy, yung mga ganun-ganun. Lahat nilagyan nila ng lights and everything. So, parang pasigahan siya kung sa Bisaya ba sa amo. Sa park, may pasigahan. Here you go. Kaya yun yung gagawin natin para sa nila ni Mike. Fathers Day! Time check, guys. It's now 4:20 in the afternoon and ito yung ating look for Father's Day dinner kasi lalabas kami and also pupunta kami doon sa Lightscape. Thank you, sweetheart. I'm gonna get you ready now, okay? Paris is here. Ayan, ang kanyang buhok ay nagbihis kasi si Mami una para yung mga kids na lang
And
easy.
you know what this is?
What is that?
It's a list that what I made. And I will tell you what I made. Let's settle down.
What do you need?
Oh my. Oh my god, it's
Yeah.
the way around.
It's like that. See?
But there's nothing.
Here, here. See, it's dress.
I know, but I did the wrong side decorate.
Aw, that's alright. That's okay. Sinulat niya kung ano yung kailangan niya before kami umalis. So, dress, hair, what's this one?
Hold on, I'm gonna put
Ayan. So, nakapag-mook up si mami nyo. Ako na yung nag-ready first. Ito na yung mga damit na mga kids. I-ready ko na rin sila ngayon. So, Daddy Mike ay nasa shower na. Nagre-ready na rin siya. So, yeah, excited for tonight. Hi, princess. Hindi pa lang pala ako nakapag-lipstick. Tingnan nyo. Hi! Oh, shush, gilabog. Tingnan yung prinsesa. Tingnan natin ang iyong lips lang, be. Have a look at your lips, be. What happened to your lips before? Oh, my baby girl. Oh, my clone. Are you okay? I got your clothes here now. Okay, alright.
So I made a dress.
Hang on, sweetheart. Come on,
Hair.
Selena is grabbing my didi na.
Oh, lipstick and shoes.
Yung pa-outfit natin for today's video, guys. Tingnan nyo, naka-maxi dress si mami nyo. And then flats na. Bows na kuran. And my little bag. It's super cute. I love my outfit for tonight. And then the kids. Si Ate Paris ay yung sapatos
I
ng
did not
sasakyan.
know that.
Oh. Oh, shush, ubo. Shush, ubo. Hello, my baba. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang pa-outfit. Ang kanyang hair tie ay hindi na magkapareha. Okay. Winala naman ang partner.
Mama,
Yung mga junk mail man ang nasa mailbox.
here, Auntie.
Sorry. Mami?
Is it too small?
Yeah. Come, quick.
Panawag na, guys. Hinahantok na lang yung
Mommy
panawag.
finish, mommy finish.
Hang on.
Did some first on it.
Hi, guys!
Say hi, guys.
City na kami! Hello!
Hi, guys.
Magdi-dinner lang kami, guys. Oh, can't see you. Shush. Not yet. Diyan kami kakain. Diyan. Nung dumating kami dito sa Brisbane, guys, I think this is like one of the first restaurant na kinana namin, ha?
This is the first one we moved here.
Diyan sa corner na yan. And then yung mga lights naman is that way. Hold, mama. Prrrr. Ito ay yung jacket niya ay naiwan sa sasakyan. So she is wearing my jacket. So it means Mommy is not wearing jacket. At si Mommy yung nanginginig ang tinggel. Boo. Okay. Mama carry. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, meron silang kuwan dito sa labas. This is very nice. Kita niyo yung daan siya. Okay, we'll sit down, sweetie girl. Aww. Say hi, guys. We're gonna eat chicken for dinner.
Classic.
Kabalo kung gaano kalaki yung drinks nila dito, guys. My Lord! Tingnan nyo! See? Mataas pa sa isang dangkal. This is lemon lime and bitters, and that is Sprite. And yung isa dito ay, ayan, kinukuha na yung ice. Umalis si Daddy Mike sa Ate Paris kay pumunta ng toilet. Oh my God, I can't get over, ha? Over naman talaga tong kanilang pa-glass. Giant. Look! Tingnan nyo. Tingnan kinisalin ang kanilang glass. Paano ba ito tatapusin? Magkano kaya ito? Sobrang laki man. Parang isang litro man ang ilang giyabuan eh. Cool? Cold. Here's our chicken. Ito ay ano na siya, classic yun. Chili and then you want some lang, Ning? Oh, what's that? Bon appetit paling, Ning. Bon appetit, Papa. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Tignan nyo ang chicken ng kanyang ate ay kanyang binawi. Oh, naiyak na. Baby, hold mama. Come on, let's go down. See, she's running away.
Give it to me. Oh, mine.
Ang hina kasi niya, Ate Paris. Guys, ayaw niya kumain.
Stop, Paris.
We're walking towards the lights now. And tingnan nyo ang isa. Hindi kasi kami nagdala ng pram, guys. Our fault. Careful, this bike coming.
Tama na we. Tuga na masising.
Ayaw magpahawak. Oh, tumatakbo. Madugangan na po na kabungi. Tama na. Paling-ling. Nagkaon ng bukog.
Come on.
Come on, the lights on. Come on. Here, ate. Wow, Gabi.
Just go through. If you've got tickets already, just go through. If
Okay.
you haven't got tickets, $44 each. So, you can buy.
What's in here? Ba. Okay, let's start here.
Have you had there?
Yeah, we can. Here. I think we have to start here, honey.
I want to go to
Oh, they've got food here, Daddy.
Huh?
They've got food here as well.
Because of Father's Day. What do you mean?
Lightscape. Kita ba?
I want to go here. I've never seen this light.
Oh.
I've never seen this light.
Dito lang ang may light, guys. Doon wala. Para makita niyo talaga yung ano toong kulay ba. Hindi tayo nakakapag-vlog ng mabuti kapag
Paris na?
hindi kami nagdala ng pram. Kaya ayan. Oh, what's this in here?
Translation walk.
Oh, what does it mean? Oh, wow. Stingrays.
Looks funny.
Oh.
Wow, what's this for?
Stingray.
Stingray. What's it for?
Yeah, no, just for you to see. Okay, what's next? Look, is that fishy? Wait, what's this one?
But they float, right?
What's next? Damn you.
Is it? Oh, yeah, this way.
Or or ostrich. Mom, what's that blue stuff?
What's this?
It looks like it's an eagle.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, follow Daddy. This way.
Ah! What?
Oh no.
Oh my god.
Ling, come on up because they can't see.
Asha, keep walking with them. Lenny, stop.
La, what now? Lin, have a look at that one there. Look.
Guys, you wait.
Wala, ay, ang ganda naman yan. Oh. Oh, it's nice to have photo here, that is.
Huh?
Nice to have photo.
Mom, can you go inside?
Of course, we can walk under it. Whoa, come on! Winter Cathedral.
Come.
Whoa.
Yay. I'm going to go inside.
Hold Celine's hand. You hold hands, okay? I'm gonna hold you. I don't know.
Switch up this. Why not?
Hold out his hand. But she wants to hold you.
Walk while taking photos.
Wow. Walin! Ate! Oh, this is so cool! Oh, look! It's so nice! Do you like it? Yes! Wow!
Why? It's not just a flower.
Let's go.
Here, have a look at Ate. We're toasting the marshmallow before you eat. Look. Careful, not too close.
I have mine ready.
Oh, look. That's Ate Paris's.
Now watch out, don't get the
Have a
sticky
look
stuff
at
on
this
you.
one. Oh, she already put it on her face. Mama turn.
It's melted.
Okay. So come down. Hold it off away from your knees. Away from your knees. Have a bite.
You're gonna have it now, Nak. It's gonna melt. It's gonna.
It's so hot.
No, it's not. It's not. Try it, Nana. Yep. Try it. I think the pinda is tadi.
Yeah.
Is it hot? And did it
No,
stick in your teeth? It happened to me before as well. It stuck in my teeth.
Don't hold it too close, mate. Just slow.
I'm firepower.
Guys, it's now 9:40 ng gabi. And nakauwi kami kanina pa pala. Si Baby Celine, nilagay ko na sa bed. Actually, pinadedicate ko siya. Tapos nilagay ko na sa bed. And ang ating Ate Paris ay nandyan. O, tingnan niyo yung ginagawa. Oh. Are you working in a call center, honey? Sabi pa niya sa kanyang daddy, I want the computer.
Environment.
Huh? You're playing what?
The environment. Remember when I went to that scripture I'm attending?
Oh. Ting daddy may kaya nandun na rin sa bed eh. Shower, tapos ayun na. Ito hindi ko na open kahapon natin ito na tanggap. Kahapon ba? Hindi. Friday. So, dumating yung aking in-order online from Melbourne, yung aking contact lenses. So, itong dalawa yung binili ko kasi dalawa yung available sa website nila. And minsan lang sila magkaroon nito at sa grado pa ng aking mata. So, I grabbed the opportunity, binili ko na kaagad. So, I got these Wonder Eye. Hazel yung kanyang kulay. And that's what I am wearing right now. See? I really like it. Kasi hindi siya super bright pa. Like, hindi siya sobrang ano sa mata. And so, you will know that may suot kang contact lens. People will notice it. Pero hindi siya yung ano talaga na yung light blue or yung super gray na kulay. So, this one I really like. Ayan. Super nice. Kaya, binili ko to. So, ito siya. Ito pa yung old na ano ko. Na binili ko from EOTD. Pangalan ng website. And this one, ito yung pangalan ng store nila sa Melbourne. Nakabase sila sa Melbourne Central. So, noon, nung nasa Melbourne pa kami nakatira, doon ako bumibili palagi. And I found the one, because this is the one that really works for me. So, this one is monthly. So, I know, it gets really expensive, guys. Kasi, ito siya, $40 for one, box, right? And, 1 month mo lang siya magagamit. So, ako naman, hindi ko naman siya ginagamit, every single day. Kung ano lang naman, may okasyon, ganun. Pero, daily, kung dito lang sa bahay, drop at para sa school, ganun, hindi naman ako gumagamit ng contact lens kapag may, lang talaga, may mga ganap. So, it's okay. Ayan. Dalawa. At least, alam kong 2 months, meron akong siguro, November, kasi birthday ko. And then, December, pampasko. So, yeah. Even though, sabi monthly, I admit, ginagamit ko pa rin siya even though, na siya, like, over 1 month na siya. Kasi hindi ko naman siya inaaraw-araw talaga. So, hindi siya gas-gas or hindi siya gamit na gamit. So, ginagamit ko pa rin siya. And it's still okay. So, ngayon, ito siya. I think this is over a month now. And, it's still very comfortable to wear. Kaya, super love this brand. And then, pinadalhan pa nila ako nito. May libreng, sisidlan ng contact lens. At alam niyo ba, tingnan niyo, may bago akong mirror. May nagtapon yan sa labas kanina, guys. Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, hala, bitbitin natin. Ay, hindi pa nga siya hindi ko pa siya nalinisan. Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, pa-carry dito sa taas. Kasi, tingnan niyo, sobrang ganda niya, guys. Excuse the mess sa background. But, sobrang ganda niya. Did you?
But I know how
So, bago pa talaga siya. Tingnan niyo.
I know how to get the lettuce not there.
Bago pa talaga siya. Super nice. So, kapag ako, perfect to siya. Kapag nag-try on haul ako. Pag ganun. Oh. Pack. What did you make lang?
Let's turn.
Tingnan niyo. Oh, ang ng daddy niya. Oh.
Let's
Na,
turn.
step na ikaw, anak. Wait.
Huh?
Step na ikaw. What's the time na? Nakakita na niyo mo ang computer sa imong papa. Anak, nak. Malak. Mag-shake correct ko eh. Is that your milk?
Yeah.
Come on. Try to brush your teeth.